Okay, now I'm like crying.
Hi, IPSYers!
My name is Ashley and I produce the IPSY series, Nailed It.
I'm Shayla and I produce the series, Main Event.
Both of our shows, we've aspired to inspire. We've been creating nail art and hair videos for the last 2 years.
With Main Event, our goal has been to educate and inspire individuals everywhere. To express themselves, have fun, and sometimes step out of your comfort zone to try new hairstyles. From easy at-home DIY hairstyles to learning from the pros, we have connected with a community of hair lovers. Hint hint, you, who are as passionate as we are about self-expression through beauty. It's been an incredible journey covering the evolution of hairstyles and field trips, where we've discovered how to get the perfect at-home blowout or learned about scalp care. It's so nice to know that you can give yourself some TLC at home, and hair is so personal. So we wanted to make sure that we had hairstyles for every hair type and every occasion.
We've had the same nail goals with Nailed It. Our mantra was always nailed it when it came to education. From nail art to nail health, we always wanted to encourage our community to have self-expression and to have fun. We hope we introduced you to some new brands and showed you how to get more from the products that you have at home. From learning what your perfect nude shade of polish for your skin tone is, to what items should go in your nail kit, we hope that we had something for everyone. We've also done so many fun step-by-step tutorials so you can really do these looks at home. And for those who wanted something a little bit more advanced or something to even take to your nail artist, we threw in some more challenging videos that require a little bit more skill and maybe some more material.
We loved Nailed It and Main Event, but we wanted to give our IPSYers and community more. We want to cover all things beauty with all the brands and products you already love. Even more, we want to show you all the value that you can get from IPSY.
Imagine a place where you can go to find all of the info you need on nails, hair, makeup, and even skincare. IPSY is our new show where we place a high value on higher education.
Let's face it, makeup isn't easy. It takes years of research, practice, and persistence to master the ancient art of maquillage. Through our tutelage, you'll learn everything you need to know to get your MBA. We're here to inspire, inform, educate our IPSYers and community on all things beauty. Trends, tips, tricks, techniques, you name it, we'll teach it.
So that's what we'll offer here at IPSY. You won't believe our current special. Enroll today and get all of your courses free. Click that subscribe button down below and don't forget to turn on your post notifications for your free ride to your MBA. Our first class starts in September, so don't forget to keep an eye out. Please comment below what you want to see in the IPSY curriculum.
Thanks for watching.